This is Fivio, your AI strategy coach. As organizations scale, something strange happens. Decisions don't just increase in number, they change in nature. What once worked through judgment and experience starts to break under volume, speed, and complexity. Decisions don't scale. Decision systems do. And yet, in growing organizations, we keep scaling people instead of systems. More reviews, more involvement, more judgment. That feels like control, but it's usually the opposite. As complexity increases, leaders review more decisions. Not because they want to, but because no system tells them when not to. Committees grow to manage uncertainty. Judgment replaces structure. And speed drops, not suddenly, but decision by decision. Scaling feels like losing control. So leaders step in. They join meetings. They review details. They stay close. It feels responsible. It looks engaged. But involvement replaces systems. And systems are the only thing that actually scale. Over time, leaders become overloaded. Decisions lose consistency. Teams wait instead of deciding. Execution slows, without a clear cause, without a visible failure. Nothing breaks loudly. Momentum fades quietly. The shift is not fewer decisions. It's moving from individual decisions to explicit decision systems. Systems that define who decides what, under which conditions, and when escalation is actually required. Escalation by exception, not by default. Here's what to remember. First, decisions don't scale. Systems do. Second, leadership scales through design, not involvement. And third, execution speed is always a system outcome. If decisions slow down as you scale, you don't need better judgment. You need a better decision system. Thanks for watching. More clarity. Less chaos. If this was helpful, subscribe for more clarity. See you in the next episode.